Hello and good morning. So today we are going to work on how to get a month's worth of content, 3 hours for you. First thing what we do is that we try and plan out like theme for the month or the festivals and so on that are going on. So what I typically do is I go to Drik Panchang, which for that particular month, and gives you a good list of festivals and whatever's going on. We'll start from here. So I go to an Excel and start putting down. 3rd of August is Friendship Day. And 9th August is Raksha Bandhan. It will also be a full moon if you are into those kind of meditations. Festival. Let's have a look. So all of these are like all smaller local festivals, but some of them will be ones as well. So like for example, 15th August is the Mashtami, and it will also fall with Independence Day, Lashtami, and so on are smaller festivals. Amabasyas also you can write down if you are into doing meditation on those days. Rest, I think, are like smaller festivals. If you want to, you can keep your clients updated on it depending upon the age group that you work with. But do that, I think 13th August, Nag Panchami is also a good one. We talk about how every place has a different festival and how it's celebrated all over. There will be a Malayalam New Year, let's say, on August 17th. Sure. So once you've done that, what you will do is you'll do August and put in numbers 6, 9, 13, 19, 19. And you can do this in Google Docs also, by the way, if Excel is not feasible. Let me just change its format and keep catching date. August. And then what you can do is that you can take these and you can then accordingly plan your posts on that day. Ashtami and 22nd August is new. Then what I want you to really do is I want you to try and see if you can find some answers for yourself for these topics. So who's your audience? And don't say everybody because yoga is for everyone and whatnot. When you are marketing, you will have to make sure that you are addressing to a particular audience. Of course, men are welcome in your class if you're only for women, but your message needs to go to the women only so that it's clear and there is not a lot going on in your page and it's focused. So narrow it down. If you teach everyone, that's fine. Maybe for the month of August, you can figure out a theme that will focus on some women only and things like that, and you can narrow it down there. Second will be what is the specialty of your class? So Ashtanga Yoga, Hatha Yoga, and so on. But the more specialized it is, the better it will be. And I will just show you with examples what I. Then what is the result that you are planning to or that you deliver? And ये आपको सिर्फ पहली बार करना पड़ेगा. Obviously, a lot of these answers will remain the same over months. So what is the result or the relief that they get? So do they become stronger? Do they become flexible? Do they lose weight? And so on. And what is your solution that you offer? And it's a good idea to give it a nice and unique name. And ChatGPT will throw up more than enough options of names if you can't think of anything right now. So you put together the festivals and on which day that are happening. I just wanted to cut your mind together on a few questions for myself. Who is your audience? Don't say that yoga is for everyone. So he's my student. No. You're giving a marketing message. It needs to be a little bit more precise than that, right? Like example, if you've seen my ads, I say specifically that it's AI tools for yoga teachers, right? It's not everything else that I can teach you otherwise. So are you teaching men? And of course, women can come in your class. Are you teaching women? Are you teaching kids? If they are men, are they men who are working in offices? Get even more narrowed down. Do they work night shifts? Do they work during the day? Are they business owners? Are they people who travel a lot? So each of these cohort will have like different group. So it depends on maybe students that you already have. So a target audience can come out of that. If a number of students are lesser right now and there's a particular cohort that you're trying to target, you can do that. So depends on aapke ghar ke mostly old people coming into your class. So maybe spirituality will be a good theme for you to go with rather than some very heavy Ashtanga exercise, right? So see who you are serving or who do you want to serve and then figure out your audience based on that. Just try and understand. I'll give you a prompt for it. Second is that what is the specialty of your class? The more specialized it is, the better it will sound. Because then it feels like something unique that only you are offering and nobody else offers this. So you're more inclined to come to your class. What is the result or the relief that they will get? Maybe lose 10 kgs of weight, maybe feel happier, maybe feel calmer, maybe have more energy. So it could be any of the critical things. And then what is the solution? Again, the more unique and beautiful it sounds, the better it will be. So work on it in a bit. So here, we can go back then to ChatGPT. And this is the prompt, let's say, that I have designed for you guys, which is that telling ChatGPT that you're a social media content generator for yoga teachers, and your role is to create weekly Instagram content, etc. Ask the user, which is yourself, or we can write ask me if you have to, that the ideal audience, which ChatGPT will ask you, sort it down. What is the offer that you're promoting? So keep that in mind, and what is the emotional or the spiritual theme for the week or the month that you want. Based on the answers, GPT will generate a complete content package of 5 quotes, 5 reads, 5 photo shoot ideas that you can record in Voo as well, or the reels also can be recorded in Big Voo, and so on, and 15 Instagram story prompts. And I have a very cool tool this to share with you. I'm also giving it additional instructions to keep the tone aligned with the yoga teacher's audience. The warm or spiritual, gentle, avoid hashtags and emojis unless asked. All content must be simple, text-based, and easily postable from mobile phone. No design tools or special apps should be required. See that. So again, try to use this file. And I will go back over here and enter it. So I'm a yoga teacher helping new moms to rebuild their strength guided movement. Let's make it a 4-week Lunar Flow core strength program, and Seeks focuses gentle core awakening and releasing pelvic tension. So let's make that month. So पूरे month का content बनाएगा. 5 ideas, and if there's anything else additional that you want to add over here, you can add. Otherwise, you just hit enter and let ChatGPT do its work. So here are the 5 quotes that you can do. 5 real ideas that you want to suggest, and which are on the theme, and 5 photo shoot ideas that you can select, and team story ideas. Now, what you will do from here is, what I want you to do is that these 5 quotes, you can copy paste these back in your Excel anywhere for now, and then you will take these one day at a time. Okay, paste it here, and let's August go. And you can mention what the topic is over here. So this is going to be a text quote. Okay, because that's what they said. So we one on the first, then we'll do, and we will try not to do like posts on the festival days because we'll have special posts on those days. We can have another one over here. We can have another one over here. Gentle doesn't mean weak. Can come over here. ठीक है, इसको निकाल देते हैं, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे आप डालिए, ये आपका टेक्स्ट कोट है. यहाँ आ गया, यहाँ आ गया. एक्चुअली तो मुझे इतना टाइम लगा एक्सप्लेन करने में. टेक्निकली 15 मिनट्स का जॉब है. कंटेंट बनाने में आपके बाकी के 3 घंटे लगेंगे. आइडियाज एटलीस्ट आपके पास ऑलरेडी आ गए. 5 रील आएंगे. ये हम लेके जाते हैं एक्सेल पे. Because if you're not into Excel, and if you think you don't want to do so much of typing and whatnot, so you can handwrite it as well. Write yourself a plan, please. So आपने डाल दिया इधर, and let's name it also. So then your reel. Then you've got static photos. 5 of these again. ChatGPT ने suggest किए हैं. यहाँ पे डाला. इसके बीच में थोड़ा सा हम डिफरेंस ले आते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ फ्रेंडशिप डे आ रहा है. ये यहाँ हम कर लेंगे. ये हम ये कर लेते हैं. साइड शॉट कुछ लेना है वो यहाँ डाल देते हैं. ओके, स्माइलिंग पोस्ट फोटो शूट, ये सारे कटे हुए फिर यहाँ डाल देते हैं. एंड अ क्लोजअप ऑफ बेली ब्रेथ यहाँ डाल. जिस भी ऑर्डर में आपको लेना हो जा सकता है. These were going to be static या फिर पिक्चर पोस्ट. आपकी पिक्चर आप लोगे सेपरेटली, एंड दिस आइडिया जनरेशन, एंड फिर पोस्ट कर सकते हैं. तो पिक्चर्स भी आ गई. तो आप ये हाथ से भी लिख सकते हैं. जस्ट ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड द मेन आइडिया लेंगे, और फिर हम उसको कैलेंडर में डालेंगे. और स्टोरी तो बहुत ही आसान है. 15 उसने आपको बना के दी है. एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन आप डाल सकते हो ऑटोमेटिकली. राइट, सो 30 तक के आपको पोस्ट रेडी है. इसमें आपको एक और चाहिए तो आप एक और कर लो, या फिर आप एक दिन नीचे से स्टार्ट करो, क्योंकि शुरू में आपके इतने सारे पोस्ट हैं ऑलरेडी. सो देखिए आपका पूरा मंथ डन. आपके स्टोरीज के आइडियाज है, ये आपके टॉपिक्स हो गए, फेस्टिवल्स आ गए, और ये आ गया आपका टाइप ऑफ पोस्ट. नहीं कि रोज में जाके देख लिया इसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है, क्या फोटो खींचनी है, क्या वीडियो बनाना है, एंड देन यू विल ट्राई एंड गो अहेड एंड collect all this content for yourself. And I will also show you tips and tricks of how to do this. So Canva में आपके टेक्स्ट वाले पोस्ट कैसे बनेंगे 10 मिनट में, मैं आपको बताऊँ. सारी स्टोरीज कैसे 25 मिनट में तैयार हो जाएंगी, ये मैं आपको बताती हूँ. एंड रील्स ऑफ कोर्स, अगर आप खुद की फोटो ले रहे हो तो ऑब्वियसली आपको बिग वो में जाके थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, या फिर अगर आपके पास कुछ एग्जिस्टिंग वीडियोज हैं जो आप यूज करें तो वो. आई कैन ऑल्सो शो यू कि AI टूल से आप कैसे ये रील्स बना सकते हो. अगर आपको अपना फेस शूट करने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं है तो नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज में मैं आपके साथ एक वो भी टूल शेयर करूंगी. तो ये सारे पोस्ट कैसे बनाने, ये भी हम आने वाले दिन में देखेंगे. अभी मान लीजिए इसमें से आपको पिस्टल शॉट लिया, ओके, नॉट प्रॉब्लम. सो लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल ये 5 मिनट ये, ओके, नो, लेट्स कम बैक. सो लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल, एक्चुअली दे आर ऑल वेरी गुड. अच्छा, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल मुझे ये कोट नहीं पसंद है. ठीक है, तो मैंने यहाँ डाल देती हूँ. So how do you think? It's a great output, no? Output, no? So gentle doesn't mean weak. Gentle means wise. I will write. I don't like this quote. Give me 3 options to select from. ठीक है, and then ये आपको बता दूंगा कि doesn't mean an absence of power, strength is not softness, blah blah blah. तो फटाफट बढ़िया तरीके से it will put together your content. ठीक है, so this is all for today. This is a idea generation, of how to quickly create your themes and ideas. And in the upcoming days, I'll tell you tools for each of these ideas that we have created. So go ahead and do today's activity. Put together your ideas. Big Woo में जाके आपके ये idea की reels अगर आप ले लो तब तो even better. एंड देन सो दैट सब्सिक्वेंट डेज में आपको पता रहे कि कैसे क्या करना है और आपका अगस्त का तो पूरा प्लान तैयार हो जाएगा. ठीक है, बाय.